Good day, class. I hope everyone is ready to listen, participate, and enjoy today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore how music reflects people's cultures, emotions, and way of life through time. Now, let us go over our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to identify and describe the musical characteristics of the medieval, Renaissance, and Baroque periods. Perform a single musical piece, chant, or rhythm representing the different historical periods. Appreciate the importance of music as a powerful reflection of history, culture, and human identity. Before we proceed to our lesson, let us first have a sound guessing game. So for our sound guessing game, I will play 3 short music clips that you will have to listen carefully, and afterwards I will ask some questions. I will now play our first music clip. Okay. Now let us have our second music clip. Now let us have our last music clip. Can you compare the sounds? After comparing it, what differences do you hear in the music? Which sounds more complex or modern? Place your answer in the comment box below. So before we continue, let us first review what we learned in our last lesson. So who can tell me what is music? How does music reflect culture? Again, you may paste your answer in the comment box below. Now that we will explore the characteristics of music from medieval, Renaissance, and Baroque periods, let us have our introduction activity. It is called Match the Music Period. So you will be given descriptions of musical traits, contexts, or textures. So you will have to match each description card correctly to the corresponding historical period poster. The first card says, this music period has more harmony and polyphony. It is smooth and balanced melodies. Use of vocal and instrumental music. Secular music became popular, and music expressed emotions more clearly. Can you guess what is it? If you guessed Renaissance, then you're correct. Let us now proceed to our second card. This card says, this music period has grand and dramatic style. It has strong rhythm and contrast. Use of ornamentation. Opera and instrumental music became popular, and basso continuo was commonly used. So, can you guess it again? Did you type Baroque? Then you're correct. Now let us proceed to our last card. The last card says, this music period is religious and church-centered. It is mostly vocal music. It has simple melodies. Gregorian chant were commonly used. It is usually monophonic, or it has one melody line. Latin language was often used, and few instruments were used. So, do you know what is it? Paste your answer in the comment box below. If you have guessed medieval, then you got it right. Now, before we proceed to our lesson, let me ask you two simple questions. First one, what characteristics help you identify the period? Second, how are the three periods different from each other? You may paste your answer in the comment box below. Music developed and changed over time based on the needs, culture, and belief of the periods. Each period has its own distinct characteristics. First, we have medieval period. So music is simple, monophonic, and mostly used for religious purposes. It reflects the strong influence of the church during that time. May I please ask the class to sing our alma mater song? Ready, start. Okay. Now that how was music is in the medieval period. There was no underlying harmony, accompaniment, or a strict beat. The second period is the Renaissance period. So in Renaissance period, music became more expressive and introduced harmony or polyphony. It reflects the growth of art, creativity, and human expression. So during this period, you have to pay attention to multiple interweaving vocal lines creating rich harmony, often without a heavy instrumental beating. The last one, we have the Baroque period. So music became more complex, decorative, and emotional. Instruments were widely used and contrast in dynamics became evident. This differences shows how music evolved from simple to complex as society progressed. Now before we proceed, I will ask you 4 simple questions to check your understanding of the lesson. First one, why do you think medieval music is mostly simple and religious? Second, what changes in society influenced the development of Renaissance music? Third, why did Baroque music become more complex and expressive? And last but not the least, how can you distinguish one period from one another just by listening? You may paste your answers in the comment box below. So to summarize our lesson, music reflects the life, beliefs, and culture of people in a specific period. So from the medieval to the Baroque period, music gradually evolved from simple and sacred to expressive and harmonious, then to complex and emotional. This shows that music is not just sound, but it is a reflection of human development and history. So I have a question that I simply don't have the answer for. Do you want to help me? Let me tell you what it is. So how does the music we listen to today represent who we are as an individual and as a nation? Can you paste your answer in the comment box below? To apply what we have learned, we will now have our last group activity. So I want you to group yourselves into 3 groups. And then you will work collaboratively to create a short performance that represents your assigned musical period. One group will be assigned for the medieval period, one for the Renaissance, and one for Baroque. So your group must present a 1 to 2 minute performance. Demonstrate the characteristics of your assigned period, use creativity, teamwork, and expression to your presentation, and you will have 10 minutes to prepare for your performance. The criteria is you have to be accurate of the characteristics, you have to have creativity, and you have to participate. Are the 3 groups now done in preparing for their performance? If you are, you may now share it in the group chat. So to check our understanding, we will now have our last 4 questions. First one, what are the 3 musical periods discussed? Second, how is medieval music different from Renaissance music? Third one, why is Baroque music considered more complex? And last but not the least, how does music reflect the culture of a specific period? You may paste your answer in the comment box below. Before we end our class today, we will have an assignment. You will have to listen to a music piece and identify its period, and then answer these 3 questions. First question, what is the title of the piece? Second question, which period does it belong to? And the third one, what characteristics did you observe? Okay, you have to write your answers in your notebook and be ready to share it for our next meeting. Thank you for your participation today, class. And I hope you have learned how music can reflect people's culture, emotions, and history. Always remember that music is more than just entertainment. It is a way of expressing experiences and creativity. Have a great day, class!